Hello, all you kind, gentle folk out there. This is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. So I was actually just heading into work this morning, and just happened to take a look at my lawn, and it's looking fantastic. And I'm not making this video to brag about my own lawn. What I'm making I just got me thinking. I don't do anything to my lawn beyond the services that my company provides. So flip the camera around here. The lawn's pretty new. The house was built 5 years ago. Some pretty low quality sod was put in, so I did overseed my lawn the first couple years we were here. Of course, I do our fertilizer and weed control program on the lawn as well, and I mow it myself just because I enjoy mowing my lawn. But other than that, and those are, of course, all services that Heartland Turf and Landscape offers. So if you're looking to get the nicest lawn in the neighborhood, give us a call. We have all kinds of different services that can help you get there, and we've got great, knowledgeable advice with years and years of experience making lawns look beautiful. So if we can help you out, give us a call today. Thanks. Bye.